Your Lordship may kindly see now that she is a junior advocate. She has no income. Even your Lordship is well aware how the junior, how much juniors will get. If senior is
How will a junior advocate live with 5,000? Why the seniors are giving only 5,000?
some
He is earning 84,000.
Yes, ma'am.
How much he is ready to pay for the wife?
view petition is filed. Earlier, your Lordship can see that the respondent filed a MC number 1838 of 15, a decree, seeking a decree for divorce, wherein IA number 5 is for seeking a maintenance.
Yes.
Review your Lordship can see that your Lordship has not considered the judgments which have produced before this court while deciding this petition. What happened in this case, your Lordship can see the trial court had rejected the maintenance in favor of this mother.
What judgments were produced at that time? Producing at this time?
Here I have produced the judgment.
No, you have. At that time, when the order is passed, no judgments are produced. That's what I'm saying.
No, your Lordship can see that was produced.
Ask me, tell you.
Even in the petition, your Lordship can see that the earlier writ petition, my Lord.
No, the difficulty here is that's what I was telling you on the last occasion also.
Yes.
It's not what you write in the petition, what you argue before the court, that the court understands it.
That is true.
And as far as this court is concerned,
Please.
every argument that is advanced, I'll make it sure that it is part of the order. And I ask the counsels also that all the contentions are addressed or not, or noted or not. Yes.
But in writ petition, your Lordship, para 20 of the
20 of the?
original writ petition.
Not the writ petition, that's what I'm saying. What is urgent
Yes.
is what is...
That is only judgments was not considered. Your Lordship may kindly see now that she is a junior advocate. She has no income. Even your Lordship is well aware how the junior, how much juniors will get. If senior is liberal, then he will pay at least 15 to 20,000. Otherwise, that will also not get. And one minor child is there. Second
No,
son,
I think his income is how much per month?
whose income? Husband's income. According to him,
5,000.
85,000. He has not filed these details.
No, 85,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the elder son is with the father.
Yes.
What is the age of the elder son?
Elder son is 22 years.
22 years. Now he's working?
Sir, definitely is not said. Maybe like said he is. He completed his graduation. Whether he is working or not, he is working.
She has filed a statement of assets and liabilities.
Please, madam.
According
She
to
has
her,
filed.
what is
He has not filed.
not he, she.
And she is filed.
What is her income?
Her income, your Lordship can see.
No, as per that, as per the statement.
As per the statement, your Lordship can see she has not stated anything. That at page 6 of her statement, she has stated that father is getting monthly income of 15,000 as a rent, and which is being credited to my account. Because his father is the oldest. Because of that reason, he cannot withdraw. Then in column number F, where she has stated that monthly income is 5,000. Because she is a junior advocate and income shown as 5,000. Then expenditure, my lord.
How will a junior advocate live with 5,000? Why the seniors are giving only 5,000?
Some seniors are giving, some seniors are not giving. For that, your Lordship can see here, no steps has been taken either by the Bar Council or by any authority.
5,000 in the present day, even to come to the court also, 5,000 is not sufficient.
Because what the seniors is telling now, they are coming for learning, not for earning.
Yes. What do you say?
Milord, sir, I have a citation to rely upon.
Then in para,
Before the citation facts, no, he is earning 84,000.
Yes, ma'am.
He's earning 84,000.
85,000 from the rents only.
84,000.
Other than he is an MBA graduate.
From the rents.
It's for the-
And he he need not support the first son
Yes, ma'am.
because he's not 22 years old and he's earning. The court in the earlier matter has directed him to pay an amount of rupees 10,000 towards the son's education or whatever expenses. Now, how much is ready to pay for the wife?
Milords, he's not here.
Not there?
He's not here today. There's some difficulty. Because review jurisdiction, we have come before this court. That is very, Milords, virtually a factual adjudication is what is being urged by Melania Senior Counsel, which is not permitted in.
Can you, your colleague,
Yes, Milords.
find out from him?
He sold one property for ₹1 crore and it
From
was
him some amount
deposited in his
towards,
account.
wife's maintenance.
Yes, Milords. 5,000 is something, Milords, which is not rational as an income, which is being shown in their assets and liability. No, see, I understand. I am also a junior advocate.
How
I
much you are
cannot dispute.
Maybe your senior is paying you properly.
Legal, the male persons, your lordship may say regularly they are attending the office and the female, your lordship, she has to take care of the child and she used to drop the child to the school and other things. Regularly, they are not coming to the court. That is the problem of young lady advocates.
I'll just speak with my client, which can pass it
Pass
to.